Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Gusto Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Gusto Payroll Login. Then scroll down a little bit, you can see Gusto Login Payroll Benefit HR, or directly go to app.gusto.com/login. It will then take you to the login portal of Gusto. From there, enter your email address, then your password. To view your password, you can click to this Show option here. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to sign in. Then you should be able to log into your Gusto Payroll. To make login easier for next time, you can click to Remember this device, but I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer. If you have any problem signing in, you can click to Having trouble signing in to get solution. You can also sign in with your Google ID or your Xero ID or your Intuit ID. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.